Hello everyone, it's Robin. Today I made Pastelón for dinner. It's delicious. I'll show you how to make it.
You really need 6 to 8 ripe plantains for this dish. These plantains are just about too ripe, but they are perfect for the dish. Make a little slit down the center lengthwise and then peel the skin off. You want to make a long slice to resemble lasagna noodles because this is plantain lasagna. Now, if you find it too difficult with a paring knife to slice it like this, you can also just cut the plantain in half and then slice it. You'll get about 3 or 4 slices lengthwise out of a plantain, a large plantain. I needed some extra, so I used these plantains. So in a 1/2 inch oil, you want to add the plantains and fry them like bacon. And then you want to drain them on paper towels. Then take some onion, garlic, cumin, smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, oregano, and coriander, and sweat that on the cleaned out pan for a few minutes. Then add bell pepper and tomato sauce and give that a good stir for another minute. Then add lean ground beef, salt, black and pepper, chicken bouillon, and then you want to simmer for 7 to 10 minutes. Add water if you need to. And it smells great already. Then add a can of rinsed and drained black beans, some olives, green onions, and some parsley, turning off the heat. So you're basically done with the meat mixture. Now let's put everything together. Spray a square pan and start to layer. You want to start with plantains, then meat, optional cheese, but I love that cheese. I used yellow cheddar cheese. You can use white cheddar cheese too. And then you just layer and repeat. And like I said, I ran out of plantains, so I used those extra frozen ones. And then I'm going to finish off with some 3 beaten eggs and the rest of the cheese. Bake that for 350 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. And there you go. It's delicious, you guys. Puerto Rican plantain lasagna. Absolutely amazing. Very easy to cut, so you just cut it out just like lasagna. And it holds together nicely. Looks beautiful. I hope you try it.
If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. It really does help. And this is James T. We call him JT. We got him on New Year's Day. See you next time, everyone.